button I need to press down in order to be able to move the lever. So now I'm back in neutral. Let's go back there and see if it's in neutral. And it is. That move the lever out of the and it's not so this control is not working because it is supposed to pull this lever back more so that this will come out of this concave part and then to here so I can engage. That's why the motor is spinning both, you know, clockwise and counterclockwise. This lever here right now, this cable. By the way, the boat can start, you can only crank the motor when this thing is in the middle here. Right now it's in the reverse position, which is the top. You know, it's engaging, it's touching the top protruding part, and that's the reverse. This is the forward. So in either of those, when your boat is in gear, you cannot start the motor. You know, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to switch back to the neutral. So this middle guy here is reaching to this end here. It's going to push this, you can see. So you can see. Now this is back there and back into neutral. So this plate actually move back and forth. You can see this. Push it. It actually goes like that. Cable back in. I'm going to demonstrate that. Putting the screws in. I'm going to demonstrate the forward and the reverse now. Let's see if we can get this move out of that neutral position. Now I'm going to do reverse first. So that ball is going to come in contact with this part here. Okay, that's the end of it. I cannot push it backwards anymore. So let's see. Now this metal lever engage, move out of this concave part to the protruding part in the top, and that's the reverse right now. So if I go down there, I'm only going to be able to push the propeller counterclockwise, not clockwise. So the motor can go reverse. You know, so see, the propeller can only do clockwise. It cannot do counterclockwise. Oh, oh, oh. Something is wrong. I can actually rotate both ways, counterclockwise and clockwise, even though I'm in neutral. Something is wrong. That's why this motor is not starting. Okay, now I know the issue. And I can hear the click. You know, and I'm gonna put it into reverse, and you can see it only goes one. You know, but the forward is not working. The red cable is over here, and it's supposed to go like this. As I push this lever, see that engage the, because right now that's the kill switch engaged, it's in neutral. But if I push it over like that, then it's in forward gear. And if I push it further like that, and that's in reverse. See that? That's in reverse. So I'm out of this neutral position. So this is the neutral position right now. And if I push this lever forward, to the right, and now it's in reverse. And if I push this lever to the left, now I'm in forward. You can see this thing is out of the, this is the kill switch that stopped the engine. So once it reaches the middle, then it's in neutral. See that? Now that's in forward. And I push forward, that's in reverse. So that's how this kill switch is working. And then stop the propeller to go both ways. So this is forward and this is reverse. You can see this metal plate, how this metal plate works, to this protruding part, that's reverse, and this is forward, and this is in the middle is the neutral. So when it's neutral, it disengages the propeller. That's how this thing is working. So as you can see here, I'm reinstalling this. So you can see how this thing is working. So you can see this lever actually turns, and this is the reverse cable here. Reverse cable push so that this lever will push this to the extreme. So I'm gonna move out of reverse back into neutral. It's actually this guy here is reaching. This guy here is reaching